One of the last resorts of saving a device, whether it's your smartphone or your PC, is to factory reset it. My name is Yadullah, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we're talking about how you can factory reset your Windows 11 PC. So if you're running into problems with Windows 11, factory resetting it is actually very simple. All you have to do is press Windows key plus I to open Windows settings. In here we're going to System. In this list, scroll down until you see recovery. It's right here. Click it. You will be greeted with this window, and this is the option that we have to check. So it says reset this PC. You have the option of both choosing your files or removing them completely. So just go ahead and click on reset PC, and then this very bright red dialog box will pop up. Now you can choose to remove your personal files, so this will clear out all of your apps and settings, and it will essentially reset Windows, but it will retain any of the data that you have stored on any of your drive partitions or hard drives or whatever you've got attached to your system. Alternatively, the second option, which is remove everything, as the name suggests, it removes everything, so wipes out your drive, reinstall Windows and everything else. So for example, let's go ahead with keep my files, and we'll start getting things ready. So all you have to do from this point onwards is just head over to essentially decide how you're going to reinstall Windows. Now you can reinstall Windows from the existing installation that's already on your system, or you can download and reinstall Windows from scratch via cloud. My recommendation would be is that if you're experiencing problems with Windows on your system, it would be better if you go ahead and do a cloud download. It will use data because it obviously has to download the Windows installer and then run everything, and it will also take slightly longer, but that process will get you through the entirety of the process with a new Windows installation, so that you won't run into errors again. Simply select whatever option you'd like to go ahead with, and keep following the wizard to completely reset your Windows system. If you like these videos, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and if you have any thoughts, drop a comment below and I'll be there talking to you. If you'd like to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.